Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be answering the question of is it too late to get started with YouTube automation in 2023? To simply answer that question, it's not, but there is becoming a higher barrier of entry when it comes to starting and succeeding with YouTube automation even in 2023. But in this video I'm going to be giving you 5 ways to stand or have your channel stand apart from everyone else's and actually succeed with YouTube automation / cash cow channels. The idea behind this is that YouTube automation, it's getting saturated, especially with the release of very intelligent AI script writing tools, AI voiceover tools. A lot of information is going to be pumped out, and I want you to kind of think and ask yourself, how am I going to stand out? With niches getting oversaturated, with people being able to pump out videos very quickly, and these videos are pretty good quality, these are the ways which you can differentiate yourself. The first way is to start a YouTube automation or cash cow channel within stories. So these stories can be made up stories. We're talking about horror stories. We're talking about stories related to crime. We're talking about stories related to just fun and entertainment, animated stories, 2D stories, whiteboard stories. So stories themselves, the reason why they're going to stand out is because AI tools, I don't think you can write really good stories. So stories are going to be written by actual individuals, and stories, people have always loved stories. They have really good audience retention time. People like a beginning, middle, and end. And a new type of quote-unquote story that is up and trending right now are these documentary type style stories. The story of how the CEO of Coca-Cola came to be. The story of how the owner of Louis Vuitton came to be. With that, these stories, people are kind of twisting the methods of what is a good story on YouTube and how they can make a video on it. That is a really good way to stand apart from your competition, in which create captivating stories that aren't so much researchable, but they actually lead to a good quality video. Another way to differentiate yourself is that in some way within YouTube automation, try to incorporate a unique experience that you own. The traditional way of doing YouTube was that YouTube was meant to be a place where you provide information or entertain people, and usually the basis for whichever route you go, it was based on your own experience. It was based on your unique perspective of you actually doing something similar to that. So with that, there's got to be a way for you to incorporate your own experience and actually give that twist with your own experience to your own YouTube automation channel. And in essence, that would also separate your channel from everyone else's. While an individual's channel may purely be based on research, if you incorporate your own experience within it, that'll help you stand out and hopefully lead to a better quality channel. The third way to stand apart and succeed in YouTube automation within 2023 is to go into sub niches. So within a sub niche, the big upfront runner niches that people always go into is tech, luxury, make money online, stocks, crypto, TV shows, movies. All of those niches are niches that people are flocking towards. A lot of those people are going to not succeed. Okay, they're gonna fail. With that, go into sub niches. If you're doing celebrity channel, maybe you should target a group of celebrities that are related and only stick with those celebrities. I used to have a celebrity channel, but I kind of toned down on it just because I wanted to focus my efforts elsewhere. But that celebrity channel ended up being very heavy on Rihanna and ASAP Rocky. I used to have another celebrity channel, and instead of it being a very general celebrity channel, that channel ended up being very focused on Tom Holland and Zendaya. So that's what I mean by sub niche. I'd rather dominate a sub niche than be completely obliterated within a very saturated niche, such as just celebrities in general or sports in general. Examples of sports is that you can start off with a general channel, like start off with a celebrity channel or sports channel, but eventually realize that you should niche down. You should just focus on a single sport. You should just focus on a single celebrity, or maybe just a group of celebrities. That is another way in which you can succeed in 2023. The only downside of that is that you're banking all in on, let's say, basketball. During the off season, I've had a basketball channel for almost 3 years now. During the off season of basketball, just because my channel is dedicated solely to basketball, there are high months and there are low months. That is one of the caveats or downsides, but it's been lucrative on a 12-month average, which has been fine for me so far. The fourth way to succeed with YouTube automation in 2023 is to create higher quality content. It's one of the cardinal rules of YouTube that your content should be high quality, but people are getting better and better. Video editors who are on YouTube are getting better and better. Script writers, voiceover artists. You have to not just maintain the way that you do work if you currently have a YouTube automation channel. I do advise you to come up with new and creative ways to better improve your script writing, to improve your voiceovers, to improve your video editing. Try and include new ways to make your videos brand new and refreshing. If you're creating the same style videos that you have been for the past 3 years, you are going to get diminishing returns and fall behind. Maybe you need to hire a brand new fresh script writer who's new so that he can bring fresh ideas to the table. Maybe you need to hire a new video editor who has a different type of style of editing so that your audience, when they see your videos, it's something new, it's something refreshing. Higher quality production, or basically adding something new, can give you the edge of succeeding on YouTube automation within 2023. The thing with high quality content is that it's evergreen. It's not something that's outdated. Something that's very high quality today that I watch is most likely going to still be high quality if I watch it a year from now. The thing with high quality content is that it is subjective. I do believe in something called the 80-20 rule. That's because I'm not a perfectionist, but at the same time, there are YouTube channels out there such as Magnets Media, which are aiming for absolute perfection when it comes to creating and launching and publishing their videos. So with that being said though, if you're looking to start a YouTube automation channel in 2023, you're going to want to watch this video next to see how to do that.